Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. In this video, we are going to share the details for the PS4 error code W37117-9, which is related to accessing and syncing trophies. The error reads, "An error has occurred." Based on our research, the error mainly disables the users from accessing their trophy list, and even sometimes shows different syncing issues. As per our research, if there was a recent software update for the PS4, then any bug within the update may be the culprit for the error. If there was no recent update, then it's likely something is going on with the PlayStation system which is causing this error. In simple words, most of the time this error comes from the PlayStation end, and users have nothing to do with it. There are a few workarounds you can try, and if they don't work, reaching out to PlayStation support might be your best bet. First, try power cycling your system. Many users have found that shutting down their system for a few minutes helps resolve the issue. So, go ahead and shut down your PS4 console, disconnect it from the power source, and shut down your internet. Wait for around 10 to 15 minutes. Restart your internet and PS4 console, and make sure your console is properly connected to the internet. Then, check if the error is still popping up. If the error persists, check for any pending updates for your PS4 console. If there are any, install them and then check for the error again. You can do this by going to Settings, scrolling down and choosing System Software Update, and then selecting Update Now. If your console is already up to date, you'll see a message that says, "Your console is already updated." If the error continues, even with your PS4 console updated, it might be a problem with the PlayStation system. Some users have found that the issue resolves itself after waiting a couple of hours. To check the PSN system status, visit status.playstation.com. If there are issues, wait a few hours and try again. If the PlayStation system status page shows no problems and you've tried waiting, but the error continues, it's time to contact PlayStation support and report the issue. So, in summary, if you're facing the PS4 error code W37117-9, start by power cycling your system. If that doesn't work, check for updates. If there are no updates or if the error persists after updating, check the PSN system status. If all else fails, reach out to PlayStation support. With a little patience and these steps, you'll be back to gaming in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.